Absolute Wealth. Real investors, real results.
Hi, everybody. This is James R. Gorrie, managing editor of Absolute Wealth with the weekly wrap. Okay, last week we talked about the Supreme Court upholding Obamacare. This week, the big deal has been wordplay. In other words, is Obamacare a tax or is it just a penalty? Now, why the big deal? Now, for a year and a half, the administration has been telling us that Obamacare is basically a penalty if you don't pay it or if you don't pay the premium. But in the Supreme Court, we learned this week that they argued it as a tax and that Obamacare is justifiable under the taxing authority of the federal government. So, again, why the wordplay? Why the games? Here's why. Very one simple reason. Because a tax during a global recession, things are falling apart in Europe, things are falling apart in China, and in America, they're not doing so well either. A tax in a recessionary time is a kiss of death. Okay? That's what this is about. They don't want it to be known as a tax because they don't want to actually make the economy worse. So it's a political game. We'll call it a penalty. Meanwhile, it is a tax, and we hope nobody will notice. So this semantic play is all about politics. Hey, we've given you universal health care, but we're not going to admit how bad it's going to be for the economy. So in a nutshell, Obamacare is the largest tax increase in American history at a time when Americans can hardly afford it. So what will happen? This economic recovery for next year, not going to happen. There's no way. So you might just say that Obamacare really is anti-semantic. Okay, hey, check us out. Click on the YouTube button if you want to leave a comment, or you can check us out on Facebook or Twitter. This is James R. Gorrie, managing editor, Absolute Wealth.
I think that.